Hey out there in YouTube, how you doing today? Well, as you can see by the box on the table, Battlbox is back here in the shop. So stay tuned after we roll this intro, and we're going to show you what came in this month's box at the basic level. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for those of you really not familiar with Battlbox, it's a monthly subscription box that has 4 levels. We're going to take a look at the very basic level. Now, this month's box is going to be great for you guys out there who are hunters, because this is Hunting 2.0. And as we usually do, there's the mission card. Alright, you want to pause that, take a pic, do whatever, there you go. Now, big reason why I'm only looking at the basic level, honestly guys, it's a dollar-wise thing. Not to mention, I gotta be honest, I'm getting real tired of Battlbox sending things UPS Sure Post. So I order something on the 15th of a month, and basically I'm getting it delivered 29 to 30 days later. I'm tired of it. You know, Battlbox, you guys in the beginning, when you ship things, they came pretty quick. Now it just seems like, what's the slowest way for the least amount of dollars that I can do? But that's just me. Alright. Like I said, there are 4 levels. Basic, it's going to run you $25 a month. Advanced, basically 50. Pro, 100. And the Knife of the Month Club is $150. So basically, the more you spend is the more you're going to get. Alright. Now, the first item up in the basic box is the 24-inch collapsible blowgun. It says restricted in some areas. I get it. Guys, it's a very basic thing that we've all gotten before from truck stops, or we all thought was cool when we saw it in stores or smoke shops. These can be really, really useful for taking down small game or just annoying your brothers and sisters, or, I don't know, potentially your wife when you shoot her in the butt and have to sleep on the couch forever and a day. But that's just the way I look at it. Okay. Now, this next item, I gotta tell you, Outdoor Edge kind of started a trend with, like, their X-Acto blades, you know, the replaceable knives for skinning and everything. And this one kind of carries on, but it's not a great construction, in my opinion. It is the Smith's Field Caping Knives 3-pack. There you go. Oh, there you go. I'm just curious. Let's actually open up and take a look. Trying not to destroy everything because if I... Okay, so my camera just took a fart yet again. It's doing that a lot. Simple plastic construction with like a little stainless steel knife right on the front. I'm betting it's like surgical grade. Yeah, surgical grade stainless steel blade. It says it, you know, has a protective blade cover. And I love it. Lanyard loop. I don't know. It's just me. I don't know. It seems easily breakable, easily snapping. Just me on that one. Alright. Next item up is a 3-pack of Dakota Line snares with a value of about $5. Oh, and if I didn't say it, the blowgun's got a value of basically 14, and the Smith's blades have a value of 10. So, you know, just your usual snares. Nothing big, nothing, you know, out of the ordinary. I will say this before, like I've said in other videos, if you're going to try any trapping or snaring, please consult your local rules and regulations, because you don't need to go out there and start killing animals that you think are edible and, you know, predators and everything else, and you screw up an ecosystem. Safety first, guys. Alright, last item up. There's seriously only 4 items in the basic box. There's what, 6, 8, 9 items total if you got the big huge box. Alright. This is the Ultimate Guide to Home Butchering by Monty Birch. Something I would have never even thought putting in a book and whatnot. These are, you know, skills that people have passed down from generation to generation. I like the fact it's got some colored photos. you know, diagrams. All right, might be worth a read. You know, I've never really thought twice about it. Yeah, might be worth a look. Okay. Got a little coupon thing for Silent Retriever. So if you guys are interested in that, I guess there was one in the advanced box. So if you see one, you kind of like it, use the code down there. And I guess there is a coupon code for Buck and Bear Knives, which is the Knife of the Month Club. And there it is. Alright guys, usually I would set all this up and do whatever, but there's only 4 items, guys. Alright, honestly, I stay at the basic level because, you know, when tax time rolls around, if there's a home run box, I want to go ahead and buy it and not have to pay an exorbitant price for not being a subscriber. I can't say this box is a fail because there's only really 4 items. You know, snares are always good. I can see good uses for a blowgun for taking down small game. You know, you're going to have to practice and get good. I'm personally really sketchy on these guys, to be honest. I just see an easy snap factor. I really, truly do. You know, I may put one in an IFAK I've got coming up just to have a cutting implement in there. You know, I've got it pretty well stacked, but I think it was just on a cutting implement. And, you know, well, knowledge is power. But, you know, that's just my really, really quick look. I mean, there's not much that you can really say about a basic box to make it look sexy as hell. You know? But, you know, guys, we're at that point where I'm going to go, leave me your questions, comments, love, hatred, whatever, you know, down below in the comments section. I want to hear everything that you guys think. I mean, look, here's another look at the mission card, guys. For you big-time hunters out there, you're seeing the gear. Tell me what you think of it. I want to know what you are thinking. Alright, so with all that being said, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for tuning into this one. I mean, I know that monthly subscription boxes are kind of weird, especially a hunting box. You know, most guys aren't going to pay $150 for the knife in a month, not knowing what you're getting, get a hunting box and go, okay, I'm going to put everything in my pack. But that's just me. Now, for you ultimate long-time viewers of the channel who haven't done it yet, man, guys, down below, I think it's going to be in that corner or that corner. One of those two. I'm not sure which one yet. There's going to be a big channel logo popping up. Man, that's your second chance. Even though I didn't put it at the beginning of the video. But okay, anywho, that's going to be your chance. Go ahead and hit subscribe. Just hover over that thing, man, click on it. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've done that, go ahead and beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, it's going to let you know every single time we upload a brand new video. I know this one seems a little rushed this month, guys, but there's really not much I can say about it. Sorry. But, you know, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up either over there or over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Battlbox Mission 45, November 2018, Hunting 2.0. Thank all of you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.